Hello everyone, Colin here with Harness Money. Go ahead right now and tap that like button. Rivian is going to do an IPO shortly. They are on the horizon to go public and they are looking at a massive valuation, a valuation of about $70 billion. That is massive for any brand new company going public. That's massive for a company that doesn't even have a product on the market. This is the nature of IPO investing. It's very risky to invest in an IPO because it can go either great or it can go south very, very quickly. And you don't know as a investor which way it is going to happen until the market reacts. Nobody can really tell what is the true demand of this product until the stock is actually out there and with the public. Honest experience this with the price decline. They did an IPO, went great until it started going south very quickly. Now, my issue with Rivian is that they don't have a product out there yet. Are they going to be successful? Yes. Do they have a partnership with Amazon? Is Amazon backing them? Yes. That will make, I think, this business successful if they don't drop the ball, if management is doing everything that they're supposed to be doing with their products, with telling the customers, telling the investors the truth. We all saw what happened to Nikola, and then executing on the mission. They will have a built-in customer with Amazon. Amazon will do everything it can to help this business succeed. But at $70 billion, the retail investor is buying in at the top. That's really, really expensive. They're going to raise a lot of money, and that is going to push this business forward. But for a retail investor, the question is, where does it go from here? Does it go to 100 billion, 200 billion, 500 billion? There are other car companies that are more successful, that are already producing products, that are already having revenues, having net income, that are being currently profitable. To say that a car company is worth $70 billion without even releasing a product yet, that is where I have trepidation. Now, there's a couple different things that I must say about electric. All of the car companies, it seems, are going electric, are going to put out some type of electric product because they're all chasing Tesla. They all want to be the next $1 trillion company, and that's great. But there are a couple things to watch out for. There are a lot of companies, car electric manufacturers, that are coming on the market or that are trying to release products. And are they all going to be winners? Probably not. I'm looking at Lordstown, Nikola, Lucid. The list of electric vehicle manufacturers is a long one that are going to try an IPO, that are going to try and make it. Now, the other issue is the technology. Tesla has proven that they have the electric vehicle technology to run their vehicles, to be successful with their products in the marketplace. But I don't know about the technology with all of these other electric vehicle manufacturers. And I'm definitely no expert on electricity, batteries, electric battery power storage, the different elements that go into that. And so I'm a little skeptical of what technology is in this vehicle, is in the Rivian vehicle, that is going to make it successful, that is going to set it apart, and that is going to allow this business to be different than the competition. That is my question mark with electric vehicle manufacturers. Now, again, I have to go back to the Amazon. The Amazon partnership with this business gives it a built-in partner with scale and with revenue and with a need for the product. So if Rivian can get these products out to the consumers and they can get their products into some type of the Amazon business, that gives them two different roads to success. There are definitely people who would buy an electric truck. Just look at Ford. The demand for the electric F-150 is really large. There's definitely an appetite for electric trucks. So I think consumers are going to be interested. And then there is definitely an interest for businesses that need vans to deliver their products to have electric vehicles. You've seen this with the post office. You've seen this with FedEx, UPS, and Amazon. Those 4 businesses are targets. And those are just the big boys. There's a lot of other businesses. I'm thinking about restaurants. I'm thinking about other retailers that need these electric vehicles to deliver products. So that gives 2 different avenues for the physical products. The other question is, are they going to create a subscription service? Tesla is doing this with their cars. They're creating a subscription model that the car owners buy into, and then they get monthly revenue from that subscription. Rivian needs to do that. They need to create some type of subscription model where they provide software, where they provide entertainment, car service, car parts, something that gets users to buy into this product on a monthly basis. The days of going to a GM dealership, buying a car, and that being the end of the relationship, I believe is over. Every single car manufacturer is going to have to figure out ways to keep the purchaser, keep the consumer in the ecosystem of that brand. Apple has shown everybody the light. Every single company, I don't care what you are, I don't care if you are a makeup company, if you are a Kardashian, if you are Johnson & Johnson, if you are a vaccine manufacturer, you need to create an ecosystem. You should have your consumers, whether that's other businesses or other individuals, you need to have them on an email list, in your contact book. You need to be communicating with them. You need to be marketing to them. You need to keep them in your universe, in your ecosystem. And then you need to paint a picture of the future that you want to live in as a stock or as a business. Apple built an incredible campus out in Cupertino that is and will be a marketing tool for the rest of the time of Apple. That campus will always be there, and it will always be an example of the world that Apple wants to create, that the world that Apple wants everybody to live in and work in and play in and create content through. And that is what every single business needs to do. That's what Rivian needs to do. They need to create a lifestyle of a brand and then get consumers to stay in that lifestyle, keep iterating on that vision. So it will be interesting to see what happens. It hasn't happened yet. I will keep you posted, but Rivian is going to do their IPO and I will be looking out for it. Thank you for watching this video. I am Colin, and remember to make good money choices. Till next time.